everyone, welcome to Sing with Chia channel. Today we're going to practice closed teeth exercise. It's a very easy, quick, gentle exercise that helps you to use more diaphragm movement. This is easy for anyone who is at the reasonably good health condition, but if you want to participate but have some kind of respiratory illness and you're recovering from it, or your immune system is compromised, or your energy is just sort of at the low level, please consult your doctor before you decide to do this exercise with us. Otherwise, you can also have a chair ready or the wall to lean to in case you get lightheaded. I hope that's not going to happen because it's an easy exercise, but you never know. So without the further notice, let's begin. So please stand with a hip distance apart. Don't lock your knees, just gently bend those knees. And then I want you to put one hand on your stomach, the other one in your lower abdomen. And I want you to breathe through the open mouth. And you're going to feel the bulge on the stomach and also the lower abdomen area went out. Right? And now I want you to breathe out through the open mouth. So those hands go inward because you're losing the air. Now breathe through the open mouth one more time. And now this time close your teeth like this and then let out the air slowly. So let's keep the air for 10 seconds. We're going to do 3 rounds of short 10 set. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Second round. Inhale, breathe in, 3, 2, 1. All right, the third round, the final round. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Good work. Now, some of you think the 10 seconds is a little too easy. So for you, I will double dare that you're going to do 20-second set. Now, the 10 seconds and 20 seconds are really different beasts. You really have to conserve the air. You really have to engage your core muscle, oblique muscle, even the gluteus maximus. The butt cheeks have to be squeezed in order to keep the diaphragm in a lowered position. So let's do one round of 20 seconds once. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 2 more sets. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Ready for the final one, the third round. Breathing in, 3, 2, 1. So this is it, 10 seconds and 20 seconds. I hope you did well. If you did, depending on your health level or athletic level, and if you did those multiple 10-second sets throughout the day, or 20-second sets, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the evening, or something like that for a week or more so, you will definitely notice when you open your mouth and sing, or maybe overall your energy level every day might increase. So I highly encourage you to try this closed teeth exercise. And this is the first of my series of breathing exercise I'm planning to upload. So if you're curious and if you want to stay with me, please subscribe to my channel. Please click like button for this particular episode. Send me a comment, questions, or suggestions for any channel related topic issues. And I hope to see you next time again soon. So have a wonderful day, and remember to breathe deeply.